Alright, so today on this episode of What Plant Is That, Paul? I'm going to talk about Pink Oleander, or this is most likely the Hardy Pink variety. It's in full bloom end of June in Southern California. These things grow everywhere, Europe, Asia, I believe Africa, but I think, people think it originated in Southeast Asia, I believe. So anyways, it's hardy to like the teens. It does really well in Southern California. There's three types basically. There's pink, which kind of grows the slowest. There's red, which grows slow as well in my experience. And then white, which grows quickest, but is most susceptible to oleander leaf scorch. So we'll put a link here for that information so you can learn about that and why you probably don't want a white oleander, because it's most likely you're going to get leaf scorch in Southern California. This one, on the other hand, has been doing pretty well. It may have the leaf scorch because it can get it, and all of them in our yard have it. You can see here it may be getting it, I'm not sure, but it's still doing fine. It's still really happy, plenty of blossoms. It's about 7 feet, I'd say, and it's beautiful in the wind. So there's two drippers on this. It does really well in Southern California, like I said. Low to medium water usage, and it's a nice kind of screen. You could plant them kind of as a natural wall if you wanted to. But Nerium Oleanders are beautiful. I really like them. Their flowers go on for about, I don't know, 3 to 4 weeks, and they are evergreen and their leaves are pretty. The only drawback is they're extremely poisonous, so I'll put it on the cool plant list, but I'm gonna have to get a sideways thumbs up because this thing will kill dogs. I've heard stories of that. Kids eat them, get really sick. Some people get messed up by the sap. I've never had any problem pruning them back. I've gotten the sap on me, and I just take a shower when I'm done. And you have to be careful, just like sticks on fire. But that is a drawback. Again, very poisonous plant, so be careful. But anyways, give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep them coming. This is Nerium Oleander, known as the Hardy Pink Oleander. Very beautiful shrub. All right, have a great day. Bam. Dude, it's creepy.